One sunny day, Emma went for a walk in the park. She loved the fresh air and the sound of birds singing. While she was walking, she saw a small puppy sitting under a tree. The puppy was alone and looked scared. Emma went to the puppy and gently petted him. "Where is your owner, little one?" she asked. The puppy wagged his tail but didn't move. Emma looked around, but no one was there. She decided to help the puppy. "Come with me," she said. The puppy followed her happily. Emma took the puppy to the park office. "I found this puppy. I think he is lost," she told the man at the desk. The man smiled and said, "Thank you. We will help find his owner." Emma waited for a while, and soon, a woman came running. "That's my puppy," she said with joy. She hugged the puppy and thanked Emma. "Thank you for helping him." Emma smiled. She was happy that the puppy was safe and back with his owner.